Hazrat Amr bin Abu Hassan asked Hazrat Abdullah bin Zayd about the Prophet ﷺ ablution. So he asked for a basin full of water and demonstrated to them how to perform ablution. He poured water on his hands and washed them thrice, then put his hand into the vessel and gargled, sniffed water up into the nose and cleansed in thrice with 3 separate handfuls of water. Thereafter, he put his hand into the vessel and washed his face thrice. After that, he put his hand into the vessel and washed his both forearms, including the elbows, twice. Afterwards, he put his hand into the vessel and performed masa of his head by bringing his hands to the front and then taking them to the back of the head. Then he put his hand into the vessel and washed his both feet. Hazrat Moosa has reported from Wahib that he performed masa, passed wet hands over the head once. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 192.